Hello everyone. So today we will show you how you can install the Jenkins on the Apache Tomcat server. So we will go about this using this blog post we have already published. So we will go step by step. So in the first step you need to install the Apache Tomcat. You already do not have it. So to install the Apache Tomcat, go to this URL. Let's go to this URL. Select any of the mirror. Let's select this mirror location. Then we need to find out the Tomcat. We got the Tomcat here, and we will selecting the latest Tomcat 9 v9.m9, and here the bin folder. So now we need to select according to our operating system. So we are on a Windows 64, so we will be selecting this Apache Tomcat 9 M9 Windows x64.zip. So once you click on it, you will get it downloaded as zip folder. So we have already downloaded it. So let's go to the download folder. So here you can see that we have downloaded this folder. So what you need to do, you need to extract it this folder, and when you extract it, open the folder, and here you can see we have multiple folders like bin and conf, lib, logs, temp, web apps, work, and some other license files. So to start the Apache Tomcat server, what you need to do, you go to bin folder and then just double click on the startup file. So when you click on the startup file, you can see that Tomcat server is started working here. So we need to confirm it so that is it working or not. So we need to open this in a browser. To open this in a browser, we need to find out on what port and using what URL it's working. So as you started on your local machine, so you can access easily using the local IP address, that is 127.0.0.1, or just typing the local host. But on what port it is listening, to find out that, we need to check. We go to conf folder, and there is server.xml file. So in that server.xml file, if you scroll down here, you can see that connector port equal to 8080. So this will be by default running on the 8080 port. So let's go and check it. We will be typing localhost and colon 8080. So you can see we have a Apache Tomcat working. So now we will move to the next part of deploying the Jenkins under this Apache Tomcat. You scroll down to this post, and here you can see that we need to download the jenkins.war file from the Jenkins website. Go to jenkins.io. Here you can see we have a download Jenkins button. When you click over it, you get the choice of downloading a long-term support release or a weekly release. So we have downloaded a LTS release. So to download, you just need to click on this button. So when you click on this, you will get a jenkins.war file. Here you can see that we have jenkins.war file. So to do deploy it under Tomcat, now you need to just copy, go to Apache Tomcat, and as previously mentioned, we have a web apps folder. Go to web apps folder and then paste the jenkins.war file. So by default, when we download the jenkins.war file here, so Tomcat will read it and deploy it under the location slash Jenkins. You can see that we have got a folder created here, Jenkins. So now we need to check. So this is working. Now type // Jenkins. Okay. So now you can see that Jenkins is getting ready to work. It's deployed under the Tomcat. So it will uh, ask for your login password. If so, and that password you can find out under the file. If you go to your local directory in your name, that password will be written under .jenkins secrets and initial admin password, and you will just need to type the username admin and the password from there. And let's say, what is my password? The login. So he has successfully logged into Jenkins and you can create new jobs. So this is all about installing the Tomcat server and deploying the Jenkins under it. So thank you for watching this video. Do like, share in this video, and do leave your comment in case you see any issue.